Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of transforming your kitchen into a space that's not only functional but also a visual delight, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some stunning kitchen design ideas that are sure to inspire your next renovation project. Whether you're looking for sleek modern styles, timeless classics, or something uniquely personal, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about modern kitchen designs. Modern kitchens are all about clean lines, minimalism, and functionality. Think sleek cabinets, integrated appliances, and open spaces that make cooking and entertaining a breeze. This stunning kitchen features handleless cabinetry that creates a seamless look. The large island not only serves as a prep area but also as a social hub perfect for casual dining or entertaining guests. The integration of appliances ensures that everything has its place, contributing to a clutter-free environment. And let's not forget the waterfall edge on the island. This design detail adds a touch of elegance and modern sophistication, making the kitchen both functional and visually striking. If you're drawn to a more rustic charm, farmhouse kitchens offer a warm and inviting atmosphere. These kitchens often feature classic elements like wooden cabinetry, apron sinks, and vintage-inspired hardware. Open shelving is a great way to display your beautiful dishes and add a personal touch to your kitchen. The large wooden table not only serves as a dining area but also as a central gathering spot for family and friend. For those who love bold contrasts, a black and white kitchen is a timeless choice. The high-contrast color scheme creates a striking visual impact, and the use of different textures like matte black cabinets and glossy white countertops adds depth and interest. Gold accents on handles and fixtures can elevate the design, adding a touch of luxury and refinement to the space. If you're looking to inject some personality into your kitchen, don't shy away from color. Vibrant cabinetry and playful decor can make your kitchen a cheerful and lively space. This approach is perfect for those who want their kitchen to be as unique as they are. For tech enthusiasts, incorporating smart technology into your kitchen design can enhance both convenience and efficiency. From smart refrigerators that track your groceries to touchless faucets and integrated cooking systems, modern technology can make your kitchen a high-tech haven. Lastly, let's explore natural and organic designs. Using materials like stone and wood creates a soothing and earthy atmosphere. These kitchens often feature open, airy layouts that blend seamlessly with the outdoors, bringing a touch of nature into your home. A stone backsplash and exposed wooden beams add texture and warmth, making the kitchen feel both grounded and inviting. No matter which style resonates with you, the key to a stunning kitchen design is to create a space that reflects your personal taste and meets your functional needs. Remember, your kitchen is the heart of your home, so make it a place where you love to spend time. We hope these ideas have sparked your creativity and helped you envision your dream kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your kitchen design ideas and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy designing!